Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find things to do in Google Maps. Once you're inside the Google Maps, guys, you want to go ahead and swipe towards the left hand side. It's going to bring it all the way to the right and you'll find the more option. You tap on that and you'll have a tab that's called things to do. If you tap on that, it's going to take you to the things to do section, and here you'll find parks, gyms, arts, attraction, and so much more. So if you're on your vacation or wherever you are in a new area and you want to find things to do, you can go ahead and you can check out this section here in Google Maps. All the others are actually very useful as well, because things to do can be food and shopping and different services that you might want to basically engage in. So this is a great way to find what's around your location, and you can easily go ahead and just tap on whatever you want and you can see it. So let's say I want to see the parks that are close to me. I can tap on that and it's going to find all the parks all around me. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.